Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your Apple ID and two-factor method because the store links purchases and licenses to that account. Once done, back up to iCloud or Finder. This preserves app data and settings. Make sure your device has at least 50% battery or is plugged in to avoid interruptions. Now update iOS to the latest supported release, which prevents compatibility issues when the App Store repopulates apps and settings. Then move to signing in and initiating the restore. You next open the App Store and tap your profile to access purchased. This step lets you re-download previously owned apps without repurchase, which is why it's faster than searching individually. Once the purchase list appears, re-download critical apps first so core functionality returns. If apps require subscriptions, check Settings, then Apple ID, then Subscriptions to confirm billing details and active status. As you download, some apps will restore data from your backup. Monitor progress and address prompts as you finish by opening key apps to confirm data and sign-ins, because some apps need reauthorization after restore. If an app is missing, go back to Purchased or confirm your store region and Apple ID. Apps bought in another country may not appear. When downloads stall, sign out and back into your Apple ID, restart the device, and reset network settings as a last step to clear connectivity issues. If problems persist, check for app updates and retry. This sequence resolves most restore failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.